Hi, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on 4.3 for your skilled trade careers on spreadsheets. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get on the iBuild America website and check out the skilled trade that you want to cover. I'm going to choose roofer. So in cell B3, I'm going to click on that, go down to my formula bar at the bottom, and I'm going to type in roofer. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to click in the annual salary in C3, and I'm going to look on the website, and the salary is $46,270. So I'm going to type in the 46,270, and I need to make sure that I get that into currency. And there's a couple ways to do that. So I'm either going to hit the bottom right and make my keyboard disappear, or the right, I'm going to hit the green check mark. So I'm going to hit the green check mark, and then I'm going to go up top and I'm going to see the A with the number with a line underneath it. And so you're going to have two options. It's either going to be text or cell. So I'm going to click on cell, and I'm going to click on number format, and then I'm going to scroll down and click currency. And that's what's going to make our currency to make it into the dollar sign. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check out the hourly pay. So I'm going to go to D3 and then click on my formula bar at the bottom, and it says it's going to be $22.25 an hour. So I'm going to type in that, $22.25. Click the green check mark on the right. Go up to the A with the line underneath in the top right. Make sure it's on the cell instead of text or cell. I'm going to make sure it's on cell, number format, and then click on currency for that as well. And then click out of that. Next, we're going to do weekly pay. So we're going to use a real simple formula for weekly pay. What we're going to be doing is timing our hourly pay times 40 hours. So we're going to go down to the formula bar. I'm going to click into E3, click on the formula bar at the bottom. Now every formula starts off with an equal sign. So I'm going to click equals, and we're going to be doing our hourly pay. So I'm going to click in cell D3, and then I'm going to use the asterisk button, which is the times button, and then I'm going to type in 40. So that's going to be our hourly pay times 40. And then I'm going to hit return, and that's going to give us our answer. And then I'm also going to hit that green check mark to the right once again, go up to the A with the line underneath it, and we're going to do the number format and hit the currency button, and then click out of that. The next thing we're going to be doing is the bi-weekly pay for 80 hours. So I'm going to click in cell F3, go down to the formula bar at the bottom. Once again, you start off every formula with an equal sign. So I'm going to start off equals, go back to D3, click on that, click the asterisk, and then I'm going to type in 80, hit return, and then our green button, or you can hit the green button to the way to the right, or the green check mark, excuse me. Go back into cell F3, go to our A with the line underneath in the top right, and we're going to click the number format and currency. And that's how you do that first row. So you're going to be looking up 6 different careers for your skilled trade careers. And if you have any questions, you could shoot an email. Thanks.